Hey,
Hey,
well, Boobless,
and Bambini
are going to have a burping contest.
using
Coke.
Coke.
And are we going to drink like just the whole thing at first, or are we going to?
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Let's chug it.
We're going to. We are for real?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I
Man.
can't chug.
Okay, so we're going to do that and yeah. So
enjoy. Five,
4, 3, 7, 9. Okay.
Look at me, here in the dark alone. It seemed so close, but still so far away from home.
Dang, it's not coming.
Among the stars, searching for a better way. Bring back so maybe you can hear me say.
I'm saving up. I'm tearing up.
I got one.
Man, you made me lose mine.
No, I didn't. Did you see your face? Okay, here's my part. I want you here.
Fist bump.
Stop! This song's like 7 minutes long.
Oh, that's great. Another video.
Dang it, I lost it.
Good job. It's coming out. Mine's coming out. Uh-oh, I have to stand up.
You fart.
I'm just kidding.
I want you here.
That's that.
Ouch! Coke is nasty. Dang, that was weak. What was that? Your chin?
All my burps are weak.
And watch when we're done, then all of it's gonna start coming out like really loud. Her can's busted.
Look.
We have no life. Cobra Starship. Oh.
You're a man for real.
Oh yeah, lean on muscles.
Look at rice. Rice
Yes.
patties.
Oh, he goes part. I think I'm done.
You know Ice makes you burp too. I didn't know that.
We should have like a booty dancing contest.
We should do that.
Okay.
Working.
Okay, we're done with the burping thing. So let us know
Peace out.
Who won, I guess. Bye.
She's a man.
Oh yeah, I got a penis. Wanna see it? I'm just kidding.